Welcome back, my dear class 4 students. This is Social Studies Lesson 2, India. Today we will discuss India, location, physical features, states and union territories. We live in India. India is a beautiful country famous for its rich cultures and traditions. India is a country where people respect elders. People of India live in peace and harmony. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Let us learn more about India, our country and its location, physical features, and their states and union territories. India is a land of different landforms and cultures. Some of the tallest mountains of the world, fertile plains, rugged plateaus, hot dry deserts, long sandy beaches are found in India. It is the seventh largest country of the world and second largest population in the world. People speak more than 23 different languages and belonging to many different religions. In spite of these differences, all Indians are united by the love they have for their country. Now, location. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world. Northern part of India is surrounded by land. Southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides. It has Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. Physical features. India is a diverse landforms. There are mountains, plains, hills, desert, plateaus, forests, islands, coastline. These are known as physical features of the land. A large number of rivers flow through the land, such as River Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Mahanadi. India can be divided into five main regions: Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Deccan Plateau, Coastal Plains and Island, and the Western Deserts. Now, states and union territories. There are two sets of government in India. One is central government and the other is state government. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state has its own government, which is chosen by the people of that state. The union territories are directly governed by the central government. Now, my dear children, you have learned about India, its location, physical features, states and union territories. Now, for your assignment, question and answer. Question number 1. Where is India located? Who are its neighbors? India is located in the southern part of Asia. Its neighbors are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Question number 2. Which are the ocean bodies that surround peninsular India? Answer. The ocean bodies that surround peninsular India are 1. The Arabian Sea, 2. Bay of Bengal, 3. Indian Ocean. Question number 3. Why do we say that India is a land of vastly diverse landforms? We say that India is a land of vastly diverse landforms because India is divided into so many parts and each part consists of different types of people. They have their own opinion. Question number 4. What is the difference between a state and an union territory? Answer. The difference between a state and a union territory is that union territories are directly ruled by the union government, while states have a separate government for administrative purposes. Note, fill in the blanks will be your home assignment. Till then, take care and stay safe.